helps to turn on the microphone. All right. Thanks for watching this live update, and we appreciate you watching, of course, on Channel 2 as well, as we've been watching these showers and thunderstorms move across northeast Oklahoma from southeastern Washington County, bending back around towards Wagner. It's been a busy morning. So earlier we did have some tornado warnings ongoing across the area. And these storms right now still have the capability of producing these small little spin-up tornadoes that would be on the like EF0, EF1 scale. Although we don't have any active tornado warnings ongoing right now, there is a possibility as this line continues to track east, so that's something we're going to have to watch out for over the next several hours. So just a second here as we watch this line of severe weather continue to move to the northeast of Tulsa, Muskogee right now, to the Wagner area, back to the southeast towards Shakota and Eufaula. We are watching all these areas for the possibility of severe thunderstorms moving across the region. So this is a dangerous event with this intense line, potentially producing winds up to 60 miles per hour within this line. Within it, embedded within it, there is a possibility that you could see a little isolated tornado develop, but we don't have any active tornado warnings ongoing right now. Pretty big line from southern Oklahoma into the northeast Oklahoma area, now moving into McAllister, moving through Muskogee as well. So this is a dangerous line. We're going to walk you through the next couple of hours here, coming away here in just a few minutes. So thanks for watching this live update. I appreciate each one of you. And we continue to watch the shower and thunderstorm potential. Again, let me change this here. I'll change the title on that because that was from earlier. So again, line of thunderstorms severe continues to move northeast towards Pryor, Tahlequah, Stigler, Sallisaw, also down towards McAllister. We have that severe line, damaging winds, moving into Pryor, Choteau, Wagner, down into Muskogee, heading northeast towards Tahlequah, and eventually moving towards the Grand Lake area. And there is a possibility that still within this line that we could get these little spin-ups to occur, and that potentially, could cause even more damage. All right, so what we're going to do real quick, we're going to switch gears because we just have that severe line right now moving through the area. Watching that closely. If something gets a little carried away, we'll of course update you on that, but also want to bring you up to date on the potential for severe weather a little later on today. So that's the line that was at 6 a.m. this morning as the data indicated. And then it quickly, it still tries to linger it around in eastern Oklahoma a little later on today as well. We switch over to a different time scale here and move this out into the future, and it still lingers the thunderstorms in the area through 1 o'clock. So it's slow to move this out. This is the HRRR. So how quickly it can move out is really obviously key to see if we can get more thunderstorms to redevelop. So this is the new data coming in for later this afternoon, and you can see it keeps us pretty quiet through the 7 o'clock hour. So this is the NAM, so it keeps thunderstorms at bay through the 7 o'clock hour. Let's go to 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and 10 o'clock this evening, and it keeps thunderstorms from developing. I think what's going to happen is this line might slow down a little further, the current line we have, and that might hold back our atmosphere from becoming too unstable, and that means that we could possibly miss out on severe weather this afternoon and evening, which would be great news. So we might see a little break, but I don't want to let our guard down just yet. Now this is the next event. This is going to be Saturday night into Sunday morning. Another line of severe weather could be moving to northeast Oklahoma. So we had the thunderstorms this morning, maybe an isolated severe storm this afternoon and evening, and then another line of severe weather moving in late tomorrow night, Saturday night into Sunday morning, as storms develop out west and then roll our way by Sunday morning. So an active several day stretch on the way for us here in eastern Oklahoma. We're going to be watching that for you very closely. In the meantime, let's go back to radar real quick and show you what's going on right now. And you can see that line that continues to move across eastern Oklahoma. Strong damaging winds, maybe an isolated tornado embedded within this line, But right now, nothing is imminent in that regard. Just strong winds and heavy rainfall as this continues to track east. All right, thanks for watching this live update. Appreciate that like button. You all have a great day. I'll be back here as needed with any further weather updates.